the solutions. The former chair of FERC has been giving recommendations for a decade. John will have that part of the story tomorrow.
And the best of the best are going to be flying inside the Air Force Museum this weekend. I'm talking about micro drone racing. Pilots will fly their drones over, under, around, and through the C-124 aircraft. The museum is inviting people to come out and watch tomorrow, Saturday, and Sunday. Sunday will be the finals involving the top 32 pilots.
And now, your Storm Center 7 forecast with meteorologist Robert Gauthreaux III.
Been listening to everybody. A little chillier out there tonight.
A little bit understatement, right?
What happened? No, it was a cold front that came through. I thought maybe you did something, but
no. I mean, we walked in this afternoon, no jackets on. It was 70 degrees, and then the bottoms dropped.
Yeah, nice little cold front, that came through. And we're going to be even colder tonight. I mean, several places could even be below freezing. But Overall, yeah, very, very chilly. But at least we had something nice to look at outside tonight. You might be aware of this. I think Kirsty's actually talked about it as well. Meteorologist Kirsty's on TV. But the moon, Jupiter, and Venus, if you saw those three bright spots in the sky, well, that's what it was. And Venus and Jupiter are actually getting closer together. So as we get closer to, say, February 28th, March 1st, we'll actually see those two get a little bit closer together. See them right there? Yeah, so that was pretty nice to look at outside tonight with some generally clear skies. We do have some cloud cover moving in now. You can see some of the thicker clouds down toward the south, so you might still be able to see that a little bit. Then you have those low-level clouds up toward the north, and those are the ones that are closer to the ground, more overcast. And so we're going to see partly to mostly cloudy skies overnight. Look at this. It's 36 degrees. We hit 70. We met a record high temperature today. Columbus broke a record high temperature. And now we're in the mid-30s, and we're going to have places below freezing. So a very, very cold night. I mean, relatively speaking, considering it's been such a warm February. But why is this? Well, that's because the cold front has moved across the region. It was kind of draped across the Miami Valley for a good while. But you can see now at this point, it's pushing into Virginia. And so as that pushes off toward the east, we're getting all the cooler air from the north. It's actually even spinning up a few showers down toward the south, but not really seeing any of that in Ohio. So let's take a look at it. The temperature changed from this time yesterday to now. At 11:20 p.m. last night, we were 25 degrees warmer in Dayton. We were a lot warmer than that this afternoon, but still, you can see how much has changed in the last, not just the last several hours, but the last 24 hours. There's been quite a big change. And as far as the latest drought monitor that's come out, I know some of you agricultural farmers like to know about that kind of stuff. Well, we're still abnormally dry, but thankfully right now we're not actually looking at any drought across the region. So that's the latest. In the next 24 hours, what we're looking at is, temperatures below freezing. Look at this, 27 degrees by 8 a.m. Yeah, it was 70 today. And as we move up into the afternoon tomorrow, we'll see some bits of sunshine, some bits of clouds, and 40 degrees the high temperature. So it looks like tomorrow is going to be the coldest day. Your 7-day forecast shows an increase in temperatures into the weekend, 50 on Saturday, 56 on Sunday. It looks like we'll see some showers at night and getting into a rainy Monday. And then into next week, perhaps some showers on Thursday. But we will be a little bit milder, still above average.
There's a way to make it useful and usable and, just get people down there and enjoying it.
One city has big plans for these old ball fields, and it plans to invest millions of dollars